What's up, everybody? Have you ever wanted to do the loose legs and your legs not be so loose? Well, I'm going to be here to help work you through that. Wait, no, I can't. I'm here to break this down for you today to understand the mechanics that go behind the step, the loose legs. All right, we're going to start from a basic concept, which is a simple side step. All right, this is kind of where I like to establish, the building blocks for this step. This side step also can go to the front. You want to get used to that as well. All right, you're going to need that because obviously the framework of the loose legs is from here. But we're going to go back here first. So from this step here, I like to introduce rolling of your hips and your ankles. All right, so the timing is still going to be within this side step here, but you're going to roll through. So you're going to go 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, and obviously we'll speed that up the further we go along. Okay, but we're rolling through our, what's that? That's like our toe and the ball of our foot into the heel. I kind of like to try and push the other side out. All right, because once I start to really go into my loose legs, I'm still doing the same push on that foot that I'm stepping out with. All right, so this is just meant to help you get the looseness in your hips to set you up for the proper visual that you get when you do an actual loose leg. All right, so this is a good drill just to have. Again, this is also a move that you can play with, just separate in itself and play here. Once I start, shifting this to the front, all right, now you have that looseness in your hips. All right, the rolling of your foot is still there, if you can see it. All right, the difference here is instead of rolling, we are still rolling out, but the out roll is going to be here. So what I do is when I step, I'm rolling my hip outward like this. Is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so use that first one as your initial step. That first roll is going to be here as your initial step. That second roll is going to get you to the front. Okay, then from there you're going to step this foot over, and as you step over, remember we push and we roll this all the way through like this, and then boom, you're going to end up here. Same thing. 2, 1 and 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 2. Watch the hips, watch them roll. I can make a song, probably make a hit. Okay? Hopefully, when we do this to the music, you can understand that. Again, this is a tough drill to have. I mean, it's a tough move to have, actually, in terms of just the rolling and trying to get that fluidity in here. So this is why having this step and this roll from this space is going to help make this step make more sense. All right, so we're going to try and build our way through that to the music. All right, follow along as best as you can. If you need to pause and get a water, feel free to do so, but come right back because I'm still going to be here. All right, here we are. I'm going to break down the roll. 1 and 2, 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 1, 2, 1, 2, 4, 3, 2. All right, let's speed this up. All right, so hopefully we got that roll. Let's go back to our basic step. Let's put this to the front. Watch this. Pay attention to the rhythm of my feet. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. All right, that's the base what you want to work with for your step. On top of this rhythm, throw the roll. Let's go to the side. See how that roll plays? Roll plays. Wordplay. Then roll to the front. Let's go back to the basic side. Okay. Now it's important to get this feel in all those steps before you start adding the roll. So as long as you can do this comfortably, it should be easy to add the roll to it. And that is your loose legs.